Considering IG is your Forex broker in the US, wondering if this UK-based giant maintains its high standards in the States? Stay with us to find out. Here are the topics we're going to cover in this video review. Is IG US trustworthy? Do they offer low spreads and fees? How diverse is the asset selection at IG US? And a walkthrough of the trading platforms. You don't want to miss out. Finally, our honest opinion: is IG the right broker for you? Stay with us until the end of the video for the complete in-depth review of IG US. And hey, if you're eager to jump to a specific section, just use the chapters feature below. IG's story starts back in 1974, making it one of the oldest names in retail Forex trading worldwide. IG Group is listed on the London Stock Exchange and has a market cap of over £2.5 billion. In 2019, they launched IG US, setting up its headquarters in Chicago to bring the world of spot Forex trading to American traders, with leverage of up to 1 to 50. Before we jump into our review, here's a quick word on why you can trust our insights. FX Empire has been reviewing Forex brokers for over 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex and CFD brokers. Our team at FX Empire consists of seasoned analysts and pro traders, bringing together 7 decades of experience to guide you to the right broker. Kicking off with trust, is IG US reliable? Let's explore what we found. First up, IG is under the watchful eye of the National Futures Association, NFA, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC in the US, giving traders peace of mind with top-notch legal compliance and protection. With a track record that's over 50 years strong, IG has built a solid reputation for being reliable. Additionally, being listed on the London Stock Exchange and part of the FTSE 250 index isn't just for show. It means IG sticks to the strictest financial and governance standards. And by embracing the FX Global Code of Conduct, IG shows its serious commitment to fair and ethical trading practices. Thanks to all these, we gave IG US an outstanding trust score of 5 out of 5. Now let's have a look at their trading fees, a crucial factor that could make or break your trades. We put the spreads of IG US under the microscope, testing them on a variety of currency pairs through the IG trading platform. To see the full picture, we ran these tests during both the London and New York trading hours. Here's what we found. IG US offers highly competitive trading-related fees, making it a great deal for your trades. This is a cost-efficient broker. Their spreads on major pairs such as Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY are among the tightest in the industry. In other pairs like GBP to JPY and NZD to USD, spreads are closer to the industry average. Swap fees, costs of holding open positions overnight, also beats the industry average. For traders who go big, IG US offers an extra perk: substantial cash rebates based on your trading volume, which can cut down your costs. There is an inactivity fee, but it only kicks in after 2 years of no action. With a combination of tight spreads, low swap fees, and minimal account-related fees, IG US earned a strong 4.6 out of 5 in the fees category. Next, we explored the broker's trading platforms. Finding a platform that fits with your trading style and experience is pretty much a game changer, and IG offers many options. IG stands out with its proprietary platform, which is available both on the web and mobile. We rated both versions as among the best in the industry with their innovative features. One highlight is the unique sentiment data from IG's extensive client network. It's also highly customizable, so you can set it up for your preference and create different workspaces. It's user-friendly for beginners, yet has advanced features to accommodate experienced and professional traders. IG also incorporates MetaTrader 4 and Pro Realtime, which offer advanced capabilities with automated trading. Ready for a deep dive? Let's take a quick tour of the IG Proprietary and MT4 platforms. IG US Proprietary Platform. First, we'll take a look at the IG US web platform. On the left here, you can see the available markets to trade, and beneath that you can see watch lists, where you can set up your own custom watch lists or view pre-configured watch lists like popular markets. Beneath watch lists, you can see your open positions, your working orders, your history of trades, and check on any alerts that you've set up. In this left menu, you can also view news and trading signals from Auto Chartist, and beneath that, you can access an economic calendar. News and trading signals you can add to your workspace simply by clicking on the Add Workspace. One of the great things about the IG platform is that it's highly customizable, so you can set up your workspace however you want, size the charts however you want, and have as many charts viewable as you want, or you can just view a single chart. Another important feature is that you can set up multiple workspaces in a tab format. So for example, here I've got a custom workspace set up, a workspace covering Forex majors and another workspace covering just Forex exotic currency pairs. Charting within the platform is robust and offers over 50 indicators and drawing tools, 17 timeframes and 5 chart types. You can see that trading from the chart is available here, and you can elect one-click trading up here. The platform offers a wide range of order types, including market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and trailing stop orders. Time-enforced conditions like good till cancelled can also be applied to orders. Finally, at the top here, we can see some key metrics relating to your account. Funds show your total cash balance, profit and loss shows the aggregate profit and loss of all your positions, and margin shows the minimum required equity to maintain your position. The IG US MT4 Platform. Now we're going to do a walkthrough of the MetaTrader 4 platform offered by IG US. On the left here, we have the Market Watch panel, which is like a watch list, allowing you to keep track of your favorite instruments. Charting with MT4 platform offers 3 chart types, 9 time frames, and over 50 indicators and drawing tools. One-click trading is available, and you can set up trading from the chart by clicking this little triangle here. MetaTrader 4 offers a wide range of order types. You can enter a new order by clicking the New Order button here, and from here. You'll be able to enter market orders or pending orders. Let's take a look at pending orders. You can set limit orders or stop-loss orders, and you can enter an expiry date to your order here. Finally, the terminal panel at the bottom here allows you to do things like track your open positions, balance, and P&L, the history of your trades, and you can do things like set up alerts. Our score for IG US platforms and tools is 4.7 out of 5. Lastly, let's explore what you can trade with IG US. IG US offers an impressive selection of 82 spot Forex instruments, including major, minor, Australasian, Scandinavian, exotic, and emerging market currency pairs. Although their Forex range is solid, there's still room for growth, like adding spot commodities and cryptocurrencies. These factors led to a mid-range score of 3.6 out of 5 for tradable instruments. Summing up our findings, IG has certainly made a strong impression since hitting the US scene in 2019. They've earned our trust with top-tier regulation by the NFA and CFTC and a solid 50-year track record. Financially, IG Group stands strong. Being a part of the FTSE 250 index and listed on the London Stock Exchange says a lot about their stability and reputation. The IG web platform, in our view, is among the best in the business, feature-rich, easily accessible, and user-friendly. Traders who work with automated strategies can also find a home here, thanks to the advanced features of MetaTrader 4 and Pro Real-Time. Low trading costs and modest account-related fees also make this an attractive broker. For example, in Euro to USD, the spreads are as low as 0.8 pips. IG doesn't stop there, offering a broad range of 82 currency pairs. Still, there's potential for growth by adding spot commodities and cryptocurrencies to widen their Forex-centric offerings. So which type of traders would benefit the most from it? IG US meets the needs of experienced traders thanks to its low fees, cutting-edge analytical tools, and advanced trading platforms. But it's not just for the pros. Beginners can rely on helpful guides and a straightforward platform to ease into trading. With its competitive spreads and efficient features like one-click trading, IG US is ideal for day traders and scalpers who need to be nimble. Also keep in mind that high-volume traders get the added perk of cash rebates. All in all, if you're a US trader looking to try out the spot Forex market, we rate IG US as a strong choice. And there you have it, our take on IG US. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment any questions you have about IG US or suggested brokers for future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next video.